Hey, what's up, everyone? Do you want to feel stronger, improve your posture, and boost your pelvic health? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into Kegel exercises, not just for women, but for men too. These simple moves can help you build core strength, relieve back pain, and even improve your overall fitness. Whether you're new to fitness or a seasoned pro, these exercises are easy to do and super effective. So, if you're ready to wake up your body and feel amazing, make sure to watch until the end. Trust me, these Kegel exercises are going to make all the difference. But before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more fitness tips. Now let's get started. 1. Pelvic tilt. This one's simple but effective. The pelvic tilt helps activate your core and strengthen your lower back muscles, which is essential for good posture and stability. When you do this exercise, you're engaging your pelvic floor muscles, which support the organs in your lower body, like your bladder and intestines. Plus, it's a great way to alleviate lower back pain, especially for those of us who spend hours sitting at a desk. Just a few reps a day can go a long way in relieving tension. 2. Bent leg side kick. This one's not only fun but super effective for toning your legs and glutes. By kicking your leg out to the side, you engage your outer thighs and hips while still working those pelvic floor muscles. It's like a 2-in-1 workout. Great for your lower body and really helps with balance too. 3. Adductor stretch. This one is fantastic for opening up your hips and stretching the muscles inside your thighs. Those are your adductors. Stretching these muscles can improve your flexibility and range of motion, which can help with activities like running, dancing, or even just getting in and out of a car without feeling stiff. 4. Bodyweight glute bridge. This one's a classic, but for a good reason. It targets your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. But the real benefit here is that it engages your pelvic floor muscles, which are crucial for both men and women. Not to mention, it's excellent for improving your posture and strengthening the muscles around your hips. 5. Lying leg stretch. This is an awesome way to stretch out your hamstrings and quads while still working your pelvic floor. By keeping your core engaged, you're activating your pelvic muscles and helping to improve your balance and stability. It's an excellent stretch for releasing tension in your legs and hips, and it can help with flexibility and mobility. 6. Swedish exercise. Last but definitely not least, we've got the Swedish exercise. This one is like a gentle, flowing movement that focuses on strengthening the pelvic floor while improving balance and coordination. It may seem simple, but it's a great way to keep your body engaged while working your core and pelvic muscles. Plus, it's a really nice way to wind down after a longer workout. And that's it. 6 simple but powerful Kegel exercises that anyone can do, whether you're a man or a woman. The best part? You don't need any equipment, just your body and a little bit of time each day. Remember, consistency is key. If you stick with these exercises, you'll start to notice improvements in your pelvic floor strength, lower body tone, and overall fitness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to hear about your experiences with Kegel exercises, so drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your progress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.